I'm here too as Srijan, the institute that I founded in 2010. It was a dream because I had moved to Bombay and I really wanted to reconnect with the Bengali culture. It came to me that maybe there are many others who would also like to be and in this space, who are probably craving for the same things, and that's where Srijan was born. And it's been a long 15 years and it's very overwhelming actually because the journey has been absolutely beautiful. And here we are, year 15. We have an exciting lineup planned for this year, and I'll take the audience through it as well. So this is Dee. She always helps me during the shows. She sings also very well. And my elder daughter has also learned, but now she's got a job. So, not always present.
Yes.
But I'm just happy that I could introduce the music to the kids as well. Just focus on your breath as you breathe in. Hold for 2 counts. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold for 2 counts. Breathe out. Saying that these are the people who hold Srijan together. And there is Shreyoshi who's in Manila also. Shukarna, Niladina, Shitapa, Raju. They are the anchors. They really put it all together. And of course, family. I'm there. But yes. Sorry. For all your support. Thank you. This evening we are here to celebrate the 15th anniversary of Srijan. It is a very special evening, and thank you for being a part of this and coming here to spend this evening with us. When I founded the Institute, it was a personal dream, but over these 15 years, so many like-minded people have joined this walk, this journey. The Srijan family today belongs to all our mentors, our members, our musician friends, and all you well-wishers. All of you have individually contributed to the progression of this institute. I would like to particularly mention Sri Shudek Bhojapita of Dakshini Kolkata, who continues and will always remain our guiding force. Thank you Lalitji and Bhavan's Cultural Center Andheri for graciously allotting us the stage every year. We remain true to our Bhavan does such incredible work by supporting art and artists. And over so many years, we have always come to him. And like Srijan, there are so many other organizations and institutions who come to Lalitji with a request to get this stage. And he's never said a no to me, and I'm really grateful for that. He would say, Komalika, kya karna hai? I would say, Lalitji. And he's always been very encouraging and extremely supportive. We remain true to our core intent of learning and practicing the works of Gurudev Tagore at Srijan. We hold online as well as physical classes of Rabindra Sangeet and Rabindra Nritya. We offer diploma and certificate courses to our students. All the participants who you will see performing this evening are students of the Institute. Tagore हमारे जीवन में निरंतर उपस्थित है. उनका निधन 1941 में हुआ था. लेकिन इतने वर्षों बाद भी वे आज भी प्रासंगिक है, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी रचनाओं के माध्यम से जिन विषय और विचारों को प्रस्तुत किया है वे शाश्वत है। रहस्यवाद और प्रकृति, प्रेम और आध्यात्म, मानवीय संबंधों की जटिलाएं, मिलन और समर्पण, टैगोर ने इन सभी विषयों को छुआ। आज शाम की हमारी प्रस्तुति में उनकी रचनाओं की विशाल फलक की एक झलक दिखाने के लिए विभिन्न पर्याय पर आधारित गीत हम प्रस्तुत करेंगे। So, as most of us here know, he composed and wrote over 2,500 songs. And that entire canvas, there were songs dedicated to mysticism, to spirituality, to nature, to romance, to surrender, even to death and to infinite love. As the evening progresses, you will see that we have chosen songs from most of these varieties of chord jazz, that it is called individual band. And that is what the bouquet of songs that we present today will offer to you.